Hello and welcome to Skill Savvy GH. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Office activation issues. Whether you are dealing with product activation field or being told to change your product key, I've got you covered. This method is super easy, efficient, and best of all, no need to install any third-party software like KMS Auto++ or KMS Pico. We'll be using Windows PowerShell to handle everything safely. So stick with me and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.
Press Windows key plus X together. A pop-up menu will appear. Click A on your keyboard or select Windows PowerShell from your menu. Windows PowerShell will open. Type this code. Still the code. Once you type the code, hit enter. Once you hit enter on your keyboard, a dialog box will appear. Choose a hook, that is, press 2 on your keyboard. You press 2 on your keyboard and then you press 1, that is, install a hook office activation. You press 1 on your keyboard, then it will start initializing. You wait for about 2 minutes. A dialog box will appear telling you that your office is permanently activated, which means you are done. You've successfully activated your Microsoft Office